not today.
Buwasan mo na lang yung commission mo.
Hey guys, so today we are going to have a client for this Explorer 136mm. It's a reference 14270. It doesn't look like it's aged. It's 1999. It comes with the papers. With the age, usually it's not a card, it's an actual paper from Rolex with the box. So this one, the client viewed it yesterday and wants to come back. So let's see how that goes, if he's gonna get it or not.
So complete pa siya?
Yes, with papers.
Paper and...
It only shows the year, but not the specific date.
Okay.
But the corresponding letter is A. And it comes with service papers, service
Ano
guarantee.
to? Canada pa siya.
Yung Ontario.
As in rare to get the
That one, yeah.
service papers pa.
Okay.
Ano meron kayong ganito? Panorama ba to?
Yeah, we do.
Oh yeah, get the panorama. Actually, one of the best looms would be Explorer.
Hindi siya makatulong na naman.
Hindi, ini-issue
So, this is our panorama. And then there's one more in the window there.
Ito mas mura compared to
This
that.
one how much?
It's a PAM 915 for 208 down to 190. But it's watch only, no
And
paper.
there's no papers with this. It's just assets.
And it's guaranteed authentic. Usually panoramas have manual wipe.
Ano yung gusto nyo ng manual?
Manual wipe, you have to make sure na fully wound siya.
Bago mag-start?
Yes, until mag-stop. That's manual wipe, yung crown. So you'll feel talaga mag-stop siya. That's manual wipe. Yeah, additional time
Okay.
zone.
Sa totoo lang, wala akong paki sa GMT. Kasi meron akong GMT, hindi rin ako marunong gumamit eh.
That's basically the difference. From 208 down to
To 190.
for today.
Ano naman? Bakit naman? Ano last nito?
Wala na
Wala
talaga,
na
sir.
talaga.
Kasi nakita ko sa vlog mo, kapag follower, may discount pa. So ito more or less, ano to? 19 watt to? O 2,000 ano?
2,000 na yun, sir. Kasi, for the condition itself.
Saan pagawa to?
Italian Swiss yung panorama.
May value ba?
May value for watch only. Yes, as long as you buy in secondary market. Same with Cartier.
Oh, kasi if you buy it...
Pag you buy brand, uwi ka na talaga. Automatic.
Ito, you know how much I got this one? 50,000.
From?
Kasi bagong panganak siya. Ito baby pa. Sabi ko pupunta akong SM, bibili ako ng mga ligo-ligo. Napadaan ako sa... Tatakal sa baba. Napabili ako nito. Pero sulit na sa akin, 23 years old. Wear and tear naman na ito, wala na. Kaya naman siya. 185, ito lang.
Dito talaga tayo, sir. Sorry.
Real, sir.
Somebody will get this for sure kapag na-post natin.
We're posting it.
Hindi, ako naman kasi bumalik ako. Hindi na.
Naka-90 talaga, sir.
190 talaga.
Ha?
If not today,
Buwasan mo na lang yung commission mo. Basta sa akin ang bumami sa akin. Libre kita. Anong gusto mo? Charlie Wanton?
We gave already 18K discount. It's not already.
Walang box to, ganyan lang, no? As is.
Yes, sir. As mentioned.
May free gift naman, may pouch.
Yung pouch, yes,
yung
sir.
pouch mo.
Para may paglagyan, no? Sige, 190.
Yes.
Magdadaw lang muna ako.
Okay, sir.
Sige, sir.
Bye, bye!